subscribers, I am at this vlogging again. I am testing out my new Sony HS80, trying to see how it works, because this is actually my first time recording on this, y'all. So y'all going with me to the glass shop. I told you guys last time I was vlogging that I had bought 2 tables. Got a table from Goodwill, sanded it down, done spray painted it. Now I am getting glass cut for it, so I can make 2 nice little side tables to go either in the guest bedroom or somewhere. But if y'all don't know, that is a hobby of mine, which is buying old furniture and refurbishing it. I don't do seat cushions and I don't do chairs or nothing like that. Wood stuff, yeah, I can do because I can sand it down and paint it and bring it back to life. So I am on my way to the glass shop, so hopefully they don't mind me recording and y'all can actually go in here with me, okay? And I just recently ran across this glass shop because I did some calling to find out who can I get to cut some glass for me. I also checked with them about a door in my closet, y'all. I want to cut out the middle section of the door and put like an inset of a mirror in there, so I have a long mirror in the door, so I won't have to hang one there. You know what I'm saying? So trying to find somebody to do that, but they told me that I needed to find a carpenter or a cabinet maker to do that, to cut. But they would put the glass in, but I just had to find somebody else to cut it so they can inset the glass into it. So I was like, okay, that's how that works, huh? But yes, that is what's been going on with me. And I know I haven't talked about exercising for a minute or working out for a minute, but yes, I'm still on the little eat less plan, portion size, and I am doing that. And y'all, I'm not even gonna lie, I done skipped a couple of workouts. Yes, because y'all, it seems like I'm getting real busy doing stuff, or stuff always popping up, and I usually make time for my workouts, but lately it's like I done got bored, you know. How they say you done reached your plateau, and it just seems like the exercising that I've been doing is now boring. So now I gotta find something to motivate me again to get back on my grind. And you know, once we lose the weight, or once we lose weight, we get all excited and think we ain't gotta work out no more. You know what I'm saying? So yes, I did lose a little weight. I ain't even gonna lie, I lost the pant size, y'all, and my pants is still a little baggy, but I think I got lazy off that, as well as, okay, I done accomplished what I was trying to do, and you know, and I'm in that mindset. I don't need to work out. I just, you know, mind what I eat, or regulate what I eat and what I drink. But I think I need to get back on my exercise. But I do, however, still run the treadmill, y'all. And I have been riding the bike, but I don't consider that exercise, because if I don't do a whole cardio, my whole cardio spiel, and then do my little running on my bike riding, I don't consider me to exercise. So I haven't been doing cardio, put it that way. I haven't been doing cardio. And as much as it been raining here, I still find time to run or ride the bike. So I should find time to do my cardio, right? But that is what's been going on. And as far as my hair, y'all, let me give y'all a full update. I'm just touching on all the stuff that y'all used to me talking about, okay? As far as my hair, y'all, my size has grown in so good, but Now I'm thinking I want to get it all braided up because I think it's long enough to catch and braid now, if y'all looking at it. And I got it in a basic ponytail or a side ponytail while I'm covering my sides right here, if y'all can see that. And before I started vlogging, y'all, I should have zoomed in, shouldn't I? Because I'm looking far back. I should have zoomed in on me a little bit more. But that is that. My hair is doing good. I'm still considering getting my locks. Yes, I just need it to grow a little bit longer. But yes, I'm still into that where I want to start over. And I like my locks, so therefore I think I'm going to get them back. But in the meantime, y'all, I like my braids. I like the hairstyles that I come up with my braids and whatnot. I hope they don't run up out here. Woo, thank y'all. Y'all know how you get at that four-way stop and people be looking like, is it your go? No, it's my go. No, it's my go. And I had 4 cars there and they done sat there, and it's like, as soon as I pull out there, now they want to pull out there. I'm like, okay, now y'all done sat there, y'all done missed y'all turn. Ain't that's how that work, right, y'all? I'm thinking right. Okay. Just making sure I'm right. And as of now, we was talking about everything that I done went over, like my workout, my hair. I'm still getting my locks when it get long enough. But I'm enjoying my braids and the different styles I can wear with my braids. And I want to get another set of braids after this because I want a full head, not just my top and you know, my mid back. Because my back now has grown a lot, y'all. You can actually plait back there. So if I can plait it with my fingers, then they should be able to get it in some braids, right? And if I go back to the African shop, I'm pretty sure they gonna braid it up for me. Yeah, buddy. But anywho, I would chat with y'all when I get to the glass shop and try to take this camera with me, okay? And with that being said, peace for now. I will come back and holler at you later. What's up, y'all? I am at the glass shop, and I told y'all I wanted to bring you guys with me. So here we go. Let's see what they're gonna do. The name of this glass shop is, let me see, it just got, well, dang, y'all, I can't even see, but I'm finna get out and see what they got going on. Okay, it's called Metro Trim and Glass. Y'all see that sign? Y'all can. Yeah, I am walking in. I am going into this glass shop because I wanted to get some glass cut. So I don't know, they looking at me strange. They might ask me to turn my camera off, y'all, okay? So don't be mad at me, okay? Peace.
Hey, what can we do for you?
I want some glass cut.
We have carpet. We don't have any glass.
Oh, my bad. It says glass and trim out there.
They lying.
Y'all don't mind if I
What kind of carpet you want?
Y'all don't mind if I record, right? I'm doing this on my YouTube channel.
I don't want to be on no recording, no.
So y'all hear that, right? He don't want to be on here, so he don't want me to record. So with that being said,
We're off. We're out.
Neighbors, I will see y'all in a few. Peace.
Groovy diggy. Bye, y'all.
What up, neighbors? I am going to Ikea this morning. So, and no, I didn't end the video yesterday because I know I was going to do some more footage on here. So, we are on our way to Ikea. I did tell you guys that the glass place that I went to, Metro Trim and Cutting, they might have did not want their faces or me videoing in there, and they didn't. And you heard that for yourself. So I did get my glass measurements down, and they are going to cut the glass for me, but they said it'll be like a 4 or 5 day wait before they have everything cut, because I intend on making the tables all glass. So when I start to work on that project, I will come in and be sure to record. And if I can take my camera in Ikea, I will. If nobody don't say anything, because I do want y'all to go shopping with me this morning, okay? And we are shopping for, get this, y'all, 2 side tables for my master bedroom. You know, I told y'all I wasn't going to ever put any dressers in there. But I saw a cute dresser. It's like a short dresser. Like the 3-drawer dresser that I can literally use as side tables. So I want to get 2 to put on each side of my bed. And take the gray or the silver wardrobe that I have in there, take that out, and I think I'm gonna place that back in my closet, y'all. I know y'all said, dang, this chick don't know what she want to do in her house. But yes, that's just me. I'm forever rearranging, forever doing something, or forever just moving stuff or repurposing stuff throughout my house. So with that, I will catch you guys later, okay? Peace. Alright, neighbors, we are here at Ikea. So let's start the walk, y'all.
Do I need to, hey baby, lock the door?
I did. So we are here at Ikea, and hopefully they'll let me record in here. This is the parking lot of Ikea, y'all. Y'all can see that. We are in Ikea. Well, I was waiting on my honey, but it don't look like he want to come. So I'm going to just record anyway. Once I get my phone. So y'all, I'm going to try to be inconspicuous with this thing, but I don't know how it's going to work, so. Going in. Gotta grab me a bucket, but. Whew. And it was hard to find a parking lot out here, parking space, y'all, in this parking lot. And it's not so big. And for this to be an Ikea, I wonder why the parking is not big enough to accommodate all these vehicles. I had to wait at least 4 to 5 minutes for somebody to even back out and leave. So I can get a parking spot, y'all. So here we go. So, aisle 26, that is what I'm looking for, y'all. Aisle 26. Okay. This is 27. This is 25. So I'm assuming. Let's see what this is over here. That's 29. That's 29 right there. But 25, 20. Y'all, I don't see 26. It jumps from 29, 27. So I'm assuming these are odd numbers here. So I am going to try and go over to this way right here. So I know this camera might be a little too up in my face, y'all. Excuse me. But I told y'all I wanted y'all to shop with me. Here we go. Right here. Bin 43. Okay, bin 43 is all the way down. But first, let me find something to put this stuff in, okay? Did you get a cart, baby? I would appreciate it if you did get a cart, y'all. Here goes an empty cart right here that I'm finna take. Nobody's at it. So I am gonna try and get this one right here, y'all. Okay. Okay, we're at bin 43. I'm assuming it's all the way down. Huh? Okay.
Still got your ticket?
Yep.
What's the ticket number?
43, but they got 42 through 44, so you got to look at these boxes right here, and it looked like they're out of, no, right here. I need 2 boxes of these, babe.
Those are 43s?
Yeah, these are your 43, bin 43. Y'all see how much it costs?
Hey, do me a favor, grab your wallet and all that stuff.
I am. That's my honey, y'all.
Thank
Y'all
you.
get to see him for the day. Hey, babe, you want to tell the neighbors hello? Well, y'all, that is what I came in here for. And if I start looking any further, I'm afraid I'm going to be buying something else, and I don't want to do that. So we just going to get what we came to get. Take this ticket to the self-serve checkout and go on by our business, okay? And that is it for now. So, peace.